7 Cultivating gardening facts. 1. Gardening has numerous physical and mental health benefits. Engaging in gardening activities can help reduce stress, improve mood, increase physical activity, and enhance overall well-being. 2. Soil is a crucial component of gardening. Healthy soil contains a balanced combination of organic matter, minerals, air, and water. It provides necessary nutrients to plants and supports their root systems. 3. Companion planting is a gardening technique where certain plants are grown together to benefit one another. For example, planting marigolds with tomatoes can help deter pests and promote healthier tomato plants. 4. Mulching is an effective way to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth, and improve soil health. Mulch acts as a protective layer on the soil surface and can be made from various materials, such as wood chips, straw, or compost. 5. Proper watering is essential for plant growth. Different plants have varying water requirements, so it's important to understand the needs of specific plant species. Generally, it's better to water deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. 6. Pruning is a technique used to shape plants, remove dead or diseased branches, and promote healthier growth. Pruning can also improve air circulation, allowing plants to resist diseases better. 7. Sustainable gardening practices focus on minimizing environmental impact and conserving resources. Some sustainable techniques include composting, using rainwater harvesting systems, using organic fertilizers, and practicing integrated pest management to reduce chemical pesticide use.